little by little she's coming to pieces. Just something that I thought was slightly interesting. I had thought that all 4 speeds would be available in reverse, but just up under the control unit I've noticed there's a little contact set just there, which is upon the gear lever, and you can see as the gear lever moves backwards away from the first and neutral position, it breaks a contact there. So here, see, as the gear lever comes forward, it makes an electrical contact. Now I'm guessing that this first position, and that's neutral position, as you go into second position, the contact is broken, and the same with third and fourth. I'm guessing it cuts the ignition, so you cannot drive in reverse in second, third and fourth, which I should think's a blooming good thing, really. But yeah, I just thought that was slightly interesting. You can see a little more of the brake operation just there. So that's when I depress the tiller. But yeah, so far I've just been battling with very stubborn and rotten nuts and bolts. Would have been much easier to get the grinder into a lot of them, but I didn't want to put the heat into the fiberglass, so just been persevering with brute force and ignorance. Yeah, got the blower out. I was just going to see if there's actually any chance that it might still operate. Let's have a quick look, see if we can see if there's life in that yet. Oh, by the way, there was a mouse nest in here. I've got what I can out with a screwdriver, but there's still a lot in there, so if it does come to life, hopefully this will clear some of the rest of that. Have life. Oh, he's alive. One less thing to worry about. Bit of a clean up. And hopefully she'll be good to go for another 50 years. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. I did want to get more done yesterday, but in the end I spended up more time clearing a workspace than actually working on the car. But she's now got somewhere undercover. Her days of languishing outside in all weathers are over.